This is my secret for keeping my business on track. Having a vision, a purpose, and a mission, and sticking to them. I know that sounds like corporate jargon, but when you write them for your business, they're a powerful framework for decision making. In this video, I'm showing you my method for writing your own. Hey guys, Mandy here, founder of Replica Surfaces. In this chapter of Blank the Builder, I'll show you how to create a vision statement for your business. Why this topic? Because it's one of the best things I ever did for Replica. It's also a ludicrously confusing topic to Google for some reason. So we're gonna fix that. A couple weeks ago, I asked the business owners in our Replica VIP group what they were struggling with the most. An issue that kept coming up was business planning and decision making. They were feeling spread thin and felt like they were saying yes to everything rather than making intentional business decisions. Until recently, I was feeling the exact same way, overwhelmed and under-focused. So I took time to regroup and try 2 new things to help me say no more often and prioritize the yeses. The first thing I did was rewrite the vision, purpose, and mission for Replica. We'll call it a VPM going forward. Second, I started putting a price on every opportunity that came my way. In this video, we're focusing on the vision part. I shared my price strategy in my last Blank the Builder video. I'll link to it at the end of this and in the description. Vision, purpose, mission. Why are they important to have? 3 reasons. 1, it's motivating. This isn't the most important reason, but having a VPM makes your business feel real, because it is. It's also uplifting to look at when things are feeling heavy. 2, it helps you write copy and compose photo and video content for your website and promotional materials. You may sell candles, but you actually sell more than that. You sell comfort, style, mood, or wanderlust. By writing a VPM that embodies the ethos of your brand, you'll create a foundation for communicating that value add to your customers. And 3, most importantly, a VPM gives you something to check opportunities against. If an opportunity comes your way that doesn't fit within your VPM, it probably isn't a yes. So, hopefully I've convinced you that this is worth doing. Now, let's break it down and do it. VPM is the what, the why, and the how of your business. Vision is what, purpose is why, and mission is how. We'll start with vision. What does the world look like when your business goals are achieved? A vision statement should be aspirational, yet realistic, short, and every word should matter. Most vision statements are only one carefully crafted sentence. And don't worry about the what the world looks like part. Your business isn't supposed to change the world in a big way, but it should make the world a little better because it exists. That's why you do it. Creating something that enhances the comfort of your customer's home, for example, is more than enough to make the world a little better. Let me give you some examples and then we'll break them down. IKEA's vision is to create a better everyday life for many people. That's it. It's one sentence, sounds simple, and it is. But every word matters. Better was chosen instead of perfect because better is attainable through furniture. Perfect isn't attainable at all, let alone through furniture. So, it's an attainable vision. Check. Every day purposely limits the type of products they create. IKEA doesn't want to make luxury goods you use occasionally. They want to purposely limit themselves to products you see and you use daily. So now, their vision is attainable and their scope is focused. Many people begins to define their customer base, and it helps inform business decisions. In order to serve many people, IKEA needs to remain relatively affordable, which they are, and have locations all over the world, which they do. With this short sentence, IKEA did 3 powerful things. They kept it achievable, they narrowed their focus, and they began to define their customer. Not every vision needs to contain these 3 things, but they're helpful to consider as you write yours. Now, let's look at Google's. Their vision is to provide access to the world's info in one click. Is it attainable? Sure. World's info sounds lofty, but it's Google and they've already done it. Does it narrow their scope? Yes, they don't focus on creating the content, they provide access to it. Under this vision, the platform through which you access that info can change while the vision remains true. That's why Google Glass fits within their vision. They don't have to limit themselves to just a browser. Finally, does it start to define their customer? I would say sort of. The with one click part indicates that user ease is paramount to Google and that they cater to those who also value search efficiency, unlike, say, Bing. And like I said, it doesn't have to hit on all three if it captures the spirit of your business and gives you something to test opportunities against. So let's do one more example. Replica's vision. Replica's vision is to bring every side hustle front and center. So let's try that one against the three components. Is it attainable? Yeah. I may use the word every, but it's tempered by the front and center part. Our products and services let small business owners show their creations in the absolute best light, poising them for increased sales. The rest is up to them being independently fabulous, which they are. Does our vision narrow the scope of what we do without being too restrictive? Yeah, it does. Side hustle front and center narrows our focus to helping small business owners and creators build their passion into something bigger than it is today. But it doesn't restrict me too much either. By not even mentioning photography or videography, I can make Blank the Builder videos for you, just like this, and it's still completely in line with my vision. An important note is that your vision can and should change over time as you and your business grow and evolve. Early on, Replica's vision was to be the market leader in photography surfaces. We accomplished that, but this vision proved to be pretty narrow as we grew our education and community resources. So, we replaced the vision with, to help creators take instantly better photos. Now, it encompassed education and community, both of which are vital to taking better photos, but it was still narrowed to photography. Now that Replica has grown into the resource for business and content creation of all kinds, our new vision feels really good. Next is your purpose statement. Purpose is why your business exists. The purpose statement usually focuses on how your business helps your customer. For example, Replica's purpose is to help business owners and creators achieve their goals and live the life they envision. You don't need to follow a template as you write yours. But if you're stuck, try, my purpose is to help, then define your customer, do something. Lastly is the mission statement. Mission is how you're going to make it happen. Mission statements are relatively broad, identify what products or services you'll be providing, and they identify who your target customers are. This is Replica's mission statement. Through innovative products, education, and community, we help small business owners and creators make content that shares their story and leads to sales. We kept it broad by saying education rather than YouTube videos. We also identified the products and services we provide, education, community, and innovative products. And we identified our customers, small business owners and creators. Hopefully, this breakdown has given you a framework for writing your own VPM. I recommend grabbing your beverage of choice and taking 20 minutes to just sit and think and write. I wrote my first vision statement in the backyard with a beer in hand. I wrote this one at 3 a.m. because the air conditioner kicked on super loud and it woke me up. So there's no need to get all formal about it. It's your VPM and you're the only person it needs to work for. While all of this is still fresh, consider doing these action items as soon as you can. Use the link below to download a copy of my free VPM spreadsheet. Fill out the brainstorming prompts at the top. Who is your customer? What do you help them with? What products or services do you provide? And this is just brainstorming, so just write as many options as you think of. Something will click and feel right. Then write a draft vision statement that is attainable, that narrows the scope of what you do, and that begins to identify your customer. It's okay if you only hit on 2 of the 3 if it feels good to you. Write a draft purpose statement. Then write a draft mission statement that's broad, identifies the products and services you provide, and identifies your customer. And then stop. Finish your drink and sleep on it. Revise it in the morning if you need to. Or revise it 6 months or a year from now. These things are meant to be fluid and change. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think and what business topics you'd like me to cover next.